Across Clark County, high school students are already stepping into the role of educator. It's all part of the teaching and training program, designed to prepare high school students to become tomorrow's educators and leaders. Let's visit schools where teaching and training students are making a real impact and discovering how this program is inspiring the next generation of educators. At Rancho High School, students are finding a calling that could shape their future and change the lives of others along the way.
Just when I started my internship over there, just like seeing all the children as you walk into the room, Miss Lopez, all the hugs, like it's really like what pushes me, and like I just know like I'm meant for it.
Every time she walks in, it's Miss Lopez, Miss Lopez.
Because when we try to get rainbow in math, we don't know what to do, and we raise our hands, and she comes with us.
The Future Educators Academy at Rancho High School is, in my opinion, the biggest kept secret in CCSD. I just feel like we're on fire every day.
It's very, very rewarding, and I couldn't be more proud.
And they should be proud. Next, we turn to Cimarron Memorial High School, where students are gaining confidence, developing leadership skills, and getting a head start in their future profession through hands-on experience that shows they're already on the path to becoming outstanding teachers.
I've been in the teaching and training program at Cimarron Memorial for 3 years now. I definitely think it's helped a lot getting to know what it's like, what to do in certain situations.
I do want to become a teacher, so being in an elementary school environment with teachers who have done this for a while and with actual students to see how it is, it's really a fun experience, and it's nice to see how it's going to be like teaching a kindergarten or like a 5th grade class.
Well done, Cimarron Memorial High School students. You're on your way to becoming incredible educators. Now, let's visit Northwest Career and Technical Academy, where students are experiencing firsthand how the connections they build can inspire, encourage, and truly change lives.
I think it's very happy to finally see if a teacher or student teacher kind of understand us and how we feel about things.
I think it makes them feel great. I think if you were to ask any of my students, they'd say how much they like having me in their classroom, but also how much it means to them to see what being a student can truly look like.
When they see a younger person, like one of the interns, I think they can see that, hey, that could be me one day. Getting to them in elementary school, in middle school, just getting them to see that, wow, this could be a great career for me.
You've seen just a glimpse of the passion and heart our future educators bring. Each one represents hope, opportunity, and a brighter future they're helping to create. At CCSD, we're proud of these students and the dedication they've shown, and we can't wait to see the difference they'll make.